Which one would you achieve fastest if you took action today? Hey dear unique, dear friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Enough about what we have lost. Let's see what we can find. You know, what little things can you gain? I want to tell you something. Living in a toxic city, a dark land, I've told you about dark land, with toxic people, a toxic place, a lot of bad people, toxic, jealous people, people who are upset with your happiness, and they make you miss out on a lot of opportunities, a lot of things. You should leave that place and go. You should do that for yourself. Put aside attachments, emotions. You should take care of yourself. You should leave that place and go, you know? Because that place does not deserve your beautiful soul, your beautiful light, your beautiful existence, your beautiful being. Even I know about this. Even when you succeed in another place, 99% of people even when you succeed in another place, they will say countless bad things, bad words, and offensive labels to you. Why? Why they do that? So that you will be ashamed and not grow. Dear, you should start your journey and tell yourself, I am so happy to be with you on this journey. Okay? You gain many things on this journey. Peace of mind, self-knowledge, self-discipline, because you are now capable. You also have peace. The poisons are gone. Bad people are gone. They are gone. Now, here, new skills, new people. You can have new relationships with better understanding and experience, respect, professional networks, knowledge, wisdom, career, professional opportunities. You will present yourself better. You will present your valuable existence, your talents, your qualities, to the world. Health, energy, wealth, financial security, so many things. You can gain so many amazing things for yourself. So tell me now, which one would you achieve the fastest if you took action today? Write in a comment. Dear Unique, thank you for watching my videos. Thanks for supporting me by listening to my videos, by watching my videos. Like, share, subscribe to my channel, and always remember there is only one you, and you cannot take someone else's place. Also, no one can take your place too. So focus on yourself, on your path, on your journey, on your energy, your body, your beautiful mind, your beautiful soul if you believe. And God bless you. Amira Rani. Bye.